How to make a video like this with Canva.
Obsessed with these summer shimmers, this coral shade is everything for that perfect sun-kissed look.
Let's head to TensorArt. On the left, we will see this Canva. You have many options. You can browse these templates and see how others create. For example, this 25 square grid for making videos. We can click in to see its production process. First, it uploads product images. We click on this picture and then click on the details, and we can see the generated details. And generate the prompt words and the most crucial things in the video. Click the blank area with the left mouse button. If you are Mac, you can drag anywhere on the touch keyboard. If you're on Windows, you can hold down the space key plus left mouse button to drag. Both Windows and Mac can click and drag, and directly drag the canvas. You can click on New Project. After creating a project, you can rename your project name first. How to use the canvas. In the image options, we can see there are many models here. While Banana Pro is for fine control, you can use it for image editing and other things, but its aesthetics are not as good as Midjourney. Midjourney V7 is the first choice for stylized creation. The rest are relatively cheaper. Now I want to make a very impactful image. I will choose MJ V7. I want to make a cool FPV video. This is my prompt. I can choose the ratio and number of images here. I'll use the default 16:9 and click Generate. It's a first-person perspective, and the ruins on the opposite side look cool. So I chose this one. I click this one and click Fill to Workspace. I chose the Seedance 2.0 Faster model. Faster mode. I chose the all-purpose reference. I turned on the sound. There will be introductions here. You can upload images, videos, audios, and so on. You can use it to specify it. For example, at image 1, imitate the action of it video 1. This is my prompt word for the video. So I will say it's rapid sliding, and straight lines and right angles, rapid turning, and camera following shots, whether it's the camera movement or the specific form of the image, and extreme flight with a 90-degree vertical pull down. Then you'll get a video like this. In addition to this cinematic video, you might also need marketing videos. First, let's generate the model. Let's go back to the image. This is my prompt word. I click Generate. I think this is completely in line with my needs. I need this person holds my product. For image editing, I still use the Nana Banana model. Replace the eyeshadow in the woman's hand in at image 1 with the eyeshadow from at image 2. Then you'll have a model holding your product. Switch to the video model. I recommend Corning V3. We must turn on the sound because we need it to say the lines and his actions. I click Generate and I can get such a video.
Obsessed with these summer shimmers, this coral shade is everything for that perfect sun-kissed look.
You can also try more models in Canvas. We'll keep updating them. Now for the transformation effect. Using Seedance's real person feature, upload my AI character here for verification first. Once approved, select the image and hit Generate. Here are my prompts. Boom! Video done. Canvas credits are called Energy. You can purchase them directly or participate in homepage events. When you click in, you'll see you can exchange your credits for Energy or get your invite link. If someone successfully generates an image through your invite, you'll earn free Energy. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.